What is up, guys? Sonduren Fanarredha here. The R8 is here. We finished the ceramic coating. So it's been about a week. It's had some time to cure. I want to show you guys how it's going to sheet some water. I'm kind of curious. So it's a little bit dirty. There's some bugs on there, you know, some splattered guts, dust, a little bit of dirt. But what really I'm looking forward to is seeing how it's going to go ahead and sheet the water that we're going to put on it. See how this is going to work. So I'm going to grab my my fire hose extension. If you actually want this, I'll put the link on Amazon. It's like a little Fireman hose thing. Really good. I use this to wash the car all the time, and I highly recommend you guys get this too. Look at that beading and the sheeting. Wow. That's kind of cool to watch. And so, a little tip. So this is like the spray mode. But if you just put it to a mode where the water isn't like spraying so many tiny droplets, and this is how I actually dry my car really easy. And you just do this, and look at it, just going to sheet away the water for the most part. And again, this is on the 3M paint protection film. So this piece here actually has the film installed and has the gloss coat installed on top of the film. It is just melting off. Really cool. So you can see the beading is really strong here. Really strong beading. And this is again on top of the 3M paint protection film. That's the video, guys. I really wanted to show you the sheeting and beading capability of this Optimum Gloss Coat, the ceramic coating, on top of the 3M paint protection film. I think that's really important. A lot of people ask me questions about it. If you like this video, like it. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I want to say thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.